Model minority, meaning the term model minority, refers to a minority group or a member of a minority group who is stereotypically seen to be more successful than other minority groups or members of other minority groups. It is most frequently used in reference to Asian Americans. It should be noted that the term minority is used in this context in the broad sense of any racially or ethnically distinct, religiously or socially distinct subdivision of a society that is subordinated in political, financial, or social power by the dominant group, regardless of the size of these groups. The term a model implies that the group should be seen as a standard or ideal example for other organizations to follow or compare, because they are allegedly more successful. Although the concept of model minority has received some criticism, critics argue that it is a sort of stereotyping that fails to acknowledge or obfuscate not only the racism and prejudice that Asian Americans endure, but also the enormous diversity of Asian Americans themselves. It has also been blamed for contributing to the perpetuation of white supremacy and the creation of splits among minority communities. The term model minority myth refers to the belief that the model minority is a myth that should not be believed and widespread. Consider the following illustration. The writer of this piece identifies Asians as a model minority, relying on the same old cliches about hard labor and family values, as if all Asian Americans were exactly the same.